Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner, and I'm going to use this kit by Adorably Amy. It is a commencement kit and it is for a vertical planner, so it's not exactly the Teeny's kit. She didn't have it in that one when I got that, so I am going to use the one that I have and I'm going to make it work for this planner. Now this planner, as many of you know, is for my YouTube and my Stampin' Up. So I'm just going to kind of wing it and see what I can do here. But it is graduation week and I have some washi on here, so I'm going to use this washi and I'm going to just put it down the middle, even though it's crooked or sideways when it's this way, and I don't normally like that, but girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. And I have a little thing on here to say ask what subbies want, so that is my reminder to make sure that I ask you guys what videos you guys would like to see. So if you have any videos that you know that you'd like for me to do, if you could let me know below, I would greatly appreciate it. If there's things that you'd like more of, or I can't promise that I'll do it all, but I appreciate hearing from you guys and knowing what it is that you guys like so that I can hopefully make sure that I make y'all happy. Because I appreciate each and every one of you. It is so cool that I have subscribers. I was just talking to my husband about it, because when I started this channel, I didn't have any expectations really. I didn't know what would come of it, or who would watch it, I just didn't know. And it's been remarkable, and I am so happy that you guys enjoy my channel and leave such sweet, nice comments, and it's just wonderful. This channel means a lot to me, so thank you. And I don't know, she didn't have a choice of colors. I really wish she did, and I don't know why she would pick blue and gold, which aren't bad colors. It was actually the colors of my middle school, but I don't know a lot of high schools. I mean, it seems like it would be like black and white or black and silver or something like that, but Alex's school colors are red and white and black, so I am just going to decorate it just the best that I can. And it's going to be a little different than usual just because it's a different week. I might use this one and that one maybe. This says, go into the world and do well, but more importantly, go into the world and do good. That was by Minor Myers Jr. I might use some of these in my main planner. We shall see. And then I think I will put maybe some of these on here. Just looking at all the things. All right, so I think that might be about it. Oh, maybe I'll use some of this washi. think that's it. And I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to write grad crafts comments craft prep holidays. Okay, so I need to make sure that I have his, oh, what do you call it? The card box done. And I need to gather pictures. Inventory, supplies. And I'm just going to put craft on these two because I need to make sure that I get all of my crafts done for his party, anything that I need to do. And I know that I didn't have a lot in here for actually YouTube or, and this is June, so I guess I could write, what could I do? June collab. I don't have much for YouTube or Stampin' Up! Right now. I don't know if the crafty videos will be on YouTube or not. I'm not sure. It depends on how much time I have and what I'm doing. But let's go ahead and put this in. And that is that. So I'll put this over here. So thanks for watching, guys, and yay for Alex. I will talk to you soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.